Today's topic for discussion is Pestalozcia rot disease of sapota. It is a market disease. Pestalozcia, it is a fungus which causes rot disease of sapota during storage periods. Let us see all the details of the disease. The Pestalozcia rot is one of the serious disease of sapota. The infected fruit shows water-soaked spots which are responsible for fruit rot disease. The spots are smooth, soft in appearance and slightly depressed. The fungus produces mycelial mat on the affected region. The affected fruits get mummified. All the stages of fruits are susceptible for the infection. The infection usually occurs in the field or in the storehouse as a result of rough handling. The infected region consists of a black dot-like fruiting bodies, that is pycnidia, at the center. On the fruit, the disease initiates as discoloration from calyx end, which increase gradually onto entire fruit. The entire fruit get rotted within short period. In severe cases of disease development, the entire fruit surface shows black pinhead-like pycnidia. The fruits get infected on the tree, but later rotting becomes severe during storage period. The rotted fruit turns to dark brown in color. The pulp becomes watery. Such fruits are unfit for consumption. Let us see the details of the causal organism of rot disease of sapota. The disease is caused by Pestalozcia sapoti. This is the name of the fungus. The fungus is having highly branched hyphae which are yellowish in color. It produces subglobose acervuli. A short conidiophores are produced which may have fusiform conidia at the apical end. The conidia are multiseptate. 4 to 5 septa occur in each conidia. Conidia are hyaline, light in weight. Let us see the control measures. In control measures, what we have to do, we have to wash the fruits with Oreofungin 50 ppm before storage. That can protect the fruits for 5 days. Fruit deep in aeratan before storage restricts fruits from Pestalozcia rot. The go down should be clean and aerated. Removal of injured fruits from stock before storage reduces disease intensity. During storage of fruits, some control measures has been given by pathologists. Use of different types of fungicide. By dipping the fruits in a particular concentration of fungicide, we can store the fruits. Such control measures have been given, but this is a laboratory work. Practically, we cannot treat the harvested fruits with fungicide. It is harmful for the human beings. Okay.